Team name setup in EmbroideryStudio, step by step. An order comes in from Broad Stitches for a basketball order. Start by preparing your name list as a .txt file with commas between names, no spaces, or as a .csv file. Always convert to CSV or copy and paste into the .txt file to avoid manual errors. Open the design. We use an existing logo for our existing customer, River City Warriors basketball logo. Click the Team Names icon, then use the Import button to load your name list into the Team Names Docker. All names are imported directly from the file, eliminating manual entry errors. Click Select All and drag the list of names into position alongside your design. All the settings offered in the Object Properties dialog box are active and editable, including baselines, kerning options, fonts, and even special characters. Here, we change the font to college and the color to white, as we would normally. Preview individual names to check placement. Add a return in the lettering dialog box for 2 lines and edit as required. You can also add more names manually in the Team Names dialog box if needed. Use EmbroideryStudio's full range of settings within the Object Properties Docker to change fonts, colors, or other settings. Edit each name individually for best results. Preparing for production export. Your design to a machine file. Choose your machine format. Before finalizing, click Options and select the appropriate export settings. In this example, we're using a Beruden 4-head machine, so we enable the multi-head option and select Design and Team Names with stops. For working with single-head machines, there are several options. Option 1, Team Names and Design with stops. Option 2, create multiple output files. Option 4, Design part only. Option 5, Team Names only with stops. For instructions on working with a single head, check the reference manual. EmbroideryStudio will export a single machine file containing the River City Warriors basketball logo with all team names included, ready for production. Review the production worksheet. Go to Print Preview, then under Options, tick the Team Names checkbox to include all personalized names in the worksheet. Export or print as needed. You will also find the thread colors required for the job. Stitching process on a multi-head machine. Load the file, hoop the garments, and thread the machine according to the worksheet. All heads will embroider the River City Warriors basketball logo first. Once the logo finishes, turn off all heads except head 1. Press Start to embroider the first name. Repeat by turning on each subsequent head 1 at a time to embroider the remaining names. The machine will embroidery each name 1 at a time according to the order in the file. When working with team names in large quantities, it's important to plan around the number of machine heads or hoops you have available. On a 4-head machine with 8 hoops, we batch our production in groups of 8 garments. EmbroideryStudio processes the job in 2 parts. It stitches the first run of logos. In our case, it's 4 logos. Then, it stitches all the team names. After stitching the first run of logos, the machine will stop. Simply press Start again to automatically begin stitching the team names. At this point, you'll need to load the next set of garments that are ready for the team name embroidery only. After stitching the team names on the second batch, simply press Start again to run the logo portion, just like beginning a new job. Thanks to EmbroideryStudio's Team Names function, personalized embroidery jobs are faster and easier than ever.